Hello class, welcome to our math class. Today we're going to review our date. Okay, if yesterday was Thursday 19th, so today is going to be what? Friday. Friday what? The 20th. Very, very good. Let me ask you something. Everybody take a look at the window and we're going to sing our weather song. Everybody ready? Okay. How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather like today? Is it rainy? No. Is it cloudy? Is it sunny? Is it partly cloudy? Good job, everybody. Okay, good observation. Now let's review quickly our colors because today we're going to be working with our colors, okay? So everybody, look at the colors that I have right here, I'm sorry. Okay, so we have red, blue, yellow, orange, purple, green, brown, and black. Great. So today we're going to be working on the workbook and you have to be really careful because you're going to be coloring. And since you are big boys and girls, you're going to be coloring really, really nice. Let's remember our coloring rules. What is the first one? Everybody respect the limits. Second, you have to choose one direction to color. You can do it up and down, or if you want, you can do it side to side, but not leaving white spaces. And remember, you have to read the instructions carefully, okay? So you can follow the instructions. Okay, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this class and the activities. See you next time. Bye-bye.